Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos.
Can you visualize the sleepless nights at Royal Enfield during the development of this new motorcycle? After all, this is the first time the company has revamped the very same 350cc platform that created its meteoric rise in sales over the past decade. The new Meteor 350 serves as a replacement to the Thunderbird and Thunderbird X lines of motorcycles. Despite the Thunderbird being a strong brand, Royal Enfield has resurrected this charming name from its past, because the Thunderbird name couldn't be used in certain international markets. While the company isn't saying this yet, we are certain that this new platform will eventually fortify all of its 350cc models, including the Classic and other future variants. The Meteor 350 absolutely has a better handling than the Thunderbird 350 for two major reasons. First, it is lighter by about 6 kilograms, and second, the handlebars are flatter, that makes for improved control. The Meteor is easier to steer in slow-moving traffic or to filter through fast-moving vehicles, along with being simpler to pull in and out of parking. The overall design preserves the Thunderbird appeal but with a renewed whiff of a roadster with flatter handlebars and different alloy wheels. It gets a prominent windscreen as standard. As with the most of its motorcycles, Royal Enfield has also an array of accessories available for the new models. The Meteor 350 is a significant leap forward in comparison to its predecessor in terms of engine performance, excellence fit and finish, improved convenience thanks to the tripper, and it sounds better as well. With Meteor 350, meet the new boss, much more improved than the old boss.
We wanted to create a progression, an evolution from the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird and cruising has been part of Royal Enfield's heritage for a long time now. The Meteor is the next generation, really. It's the next step on from that. So, brand new engine, brand new chassis. It's a ground-up piece of design.
When you step on it, you are welcomed by a nice view in the front, and I think that's very important.
And when you ride this back-to-back with the Thunderbird, you just feel it's just moved on another generation.
It's a high torque engine, it's a signature engine sound, a very signature exhaust note.
The new engine has a spread of an extra 1,000 RPM.
In addition to old 350 engine, the high RPM, no vibration, and it's much comfortable to maintain high speed.
You get a really good front end feel from the bike. The way it handles, it feels like a roadster.
Here we wanted to have a rake angle which is optimized both for the long distance riding as well as for the city commute. The new frame, this is a ground up, brand new design, there's nothing carryover.
As far as the chassis itself goes, again, lots of effort to give you a bike that is, responsive and enjoyable to ride, but feels secure, solid.
Mass customization is one of the unique customer-centric program. Through this program, we are going to provide a lot of unique personalized options for the customer to configure their own motorcycle.
This is our Royal Enfield Tripper Pod, and what it does, it displays your turn-by-turn directions in a really simple, intuitive way.
We've done testing all over the world. We've done testing here in the UK, in Spain, and then obviously in India. And the result is a motorcycle that is really great fun to ride and very easy to ride. It's a very compliant motorcycle. You know, you can jump on it and just feel at home straight away.
So you've got that classic look and feel, the sound we worked so hard to get. Riding it is, you can't really see it on the spec sheet. You've got to try it.
It's really about capturing the essence of what that long distance Royal Enfield cruising is all about, that easy cruising.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.